Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unbagging of a previously built model by me from 1978. 1980 this kit came out and they called it Class Action, and that seemed to be what they remade back in the 2000s, 2006, 2022 they came out with Class Action. But when I purchased this kit in 78, it was known as Wheeler Dealer. And it's the same kit basically. What I don't know about Class Action is if it came with the motorcycle. This kit came with a motorcycle and a trailer. And here it is here. There's a little trailer it came with and had a motorcycle with it. And the actual car, of course. Yeah, a little bit more in frame for you. Here's the bike again. So, always like this body style Monte Carlo. Let's go ahead and get her out of the bag here and show you what we got. Now, this kit was meant to be built stock. I didn't follow that rule. I built this one apparently as some kind of racer. It's got decals all over it with a big old scoop on there. Excuse the dust, folks. There's that one. It's like a stock car. Pretty cool. There's the front end. There's the back. Still got the luggage rack on the back there, right? This is what you want on a race car. Big old, well, it looks like a 409 in there. Pretty popular 409s. Actually, I wonder if this engine, if you've seen my previous video on the 53 Chevy panel van, I think it came with 409 engines, and I purchased two of them, and the kit had a 409 in it, and this might be the other one. Oh, there's the bottom. There's something rattling around in there. See if we can figure out. Oh, it's the steering wheel. Yeah, you might need that if you're going around a racetrack, especially in a roundy round. Yep, that's that one. Let's see here. This one, as it says, it came out in 1978. Yep. I think this was this is an MPC kit. Yep. And then the Class Action is also an MPC kit. I'm looking it up right now as we speak on Scale Mates. Yep, Class Action was MPC also, 125 scale. I don't know why they got away from this one. I never see the actual Wheeler Dealers kit anywhere. I always see the Class Action ones. I guess because they repopped them, numerous times. But always had a place in my heart for this kit. I always liked this one. So, got some crazy dump headers right there. Back end looks, or the bottom looks like it's been abused a little bit. There's some split tires again. I really have a distaste for those. And this white wheel here has a permanent, like, bend to it there. Glue dried funny, I guess. Yeah, there you go. That's the Wheeler Dealers 78 Monte Carlo, folks. Hope you had some good memories of that kit yourself. I'm the only person I know personally that ever had this kit. So if you had it, let me know in the comments. I'd really be curious to see how many people actually had the Wheeler Dealer kit. And also, if you have any version of the Class Action kit, let me know in the comments if it came with the trailer and a motorcycle or any accessory. I'm just curious at how similar the two kits were. So, alrighty, folks. As always, I thank you so much for your time. Have yourselves a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out.